Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today here is a cinnamon myrtle flower. It's not working. So there is a cinnamon myrtle flower. It's a bit blurry. It is currently 32 degrees right now and it is only 9:30, so it's going to be a very hot day today in Brisbane. So here's my rainforest. Doing alright. I planted a macadamia. Everything else along there is doing good. Same with everything else along here. I'll show you my bunya pine. Here is the bunya pine, healthy as always. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see me continue.